Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I am going to start a new journey. So I put all these outside because they are Angora rabbit fiber that I've been collecting for since 2021. I checked and I started collecting for a customer. So it's going to be a long dress with a huge cowl. Okay. So I bought these yarns from Etsy. Oh, look at this. Well, it's not yarn. I'm gonna make them yarn. Sorry. Been getting used to okay. This is the lady from her Angora rabbit. Oh, this is just beautiful how she did the envelope. Very nice of her. And then she did follow up. Look at this. So this is the second time I'm buying from this lady. Your order made my day. I hope this will make yours. Your support means to the world to me. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Isn't this beautiful with the bunny? Just lovely. This wool is lovely grown. Lovingly grown for you. I'm sorry, my eyes aren't good. Thing for you by Alice. I believe it's Frida. The spelling is different. Well, mine is totally different. So it's 100%. So, oh, I need to. Okay, I can open it. These are I actually food. What you call those? Food vacuum. Isn't this just wonderful? Yeah, I think this is brilliant to ship that's what I did on my order last time. Well, last two I did. I vacuum bagged them. Just to give you some info, these aren't cheap. So I paid 91 Canadian dollars. I'm including the GST and well, the shipping was free, thank God. So I was lucky for that. And I bought all what she had. These are all white Angora wool. Okay. And I do have another unboxing for her. So I'm opening the small one at the moment. And I wanted to do in front of you. So I just wanted to show you what I'm up to. And this is nice. Okay. So her fiber is super clean, I can tell you that. So I'm gonna start carding them. I don't have to, but it gives a nice, it's easy to spin when you're carding. This is how I usually do. Or you can put it here on the feed. There these are. See how long they are? Beautiful. And it's nice and clean. One of the envelope is empty and it's flying. Underneath here. And I have this Harry Potter way. My son used to collect these. I only have this left. I had the mirror. I think that was the last one I had, and I sold it because you know, clutter in the house, it adds up. So I use this to move the fiber from here. I want the Angora rabbit to fly because it's very. Oops. Don't want to lose any money because these are money. So I could do this. Yeah, I've been collecting for 3 years, right? Yeah, 21. And this is like 3 ounces. See? Yeah, I'm doing it outside because it gets really messy. Really messy. This is how I do it as well. It's so super clean. Just have to remove them. Well, when I'm spinning them, it gets. I always catch them as well. Oops, there's so much here. Let's spread these. So carding is always nice. I don't have Angora rabbits, so I get that question a lot because I'm knitting with this Angora yarn a lot, right? And but they're not from my rabbits. I don't have rabbits. I buy them, and I save money because spin yarn is very expensive. So I'm gonna make them this yarn. I'm gonna make chunky yarn. So I just wanted to share you my journey. This is gonna take me a while now, so don't worry about me. I've been starting to get messages. I've been working on custom orders, and it's not easy. Yeah, sleepless nights. I've been up to 4 a.m. trying to finish them and ship them. I can do the 3 ounce at once. Go in there. Oh, this one's a little bit dark. Can you see? It's really hot here. It's not even 2 yet, I believe. Maybe it is 2. I didn't look at the time. This just arrived today. I wanted to start ASAP. I'm waiting for another package to arrive, and I will show you what I have. One of them flew. Did you catch that? Just like this. Getting hard to turn. Or it's almost full. Quality, beautiful. Look how soft and fluffy it is. I'm just spreading. It is full. I'm going to take it apart, but I just want to do it a couple more times. Show you how it looks like. Okay, I think it's enough. It can go on forever. How cloudy. Isn't this just gorgeous? Can't even see my hand, it's so sunny. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them. So, this is how I split it. There's a mark. This is the Ashford. It's made in New Zealand. I bought it through Etsy. Paid almost $1,000 for this Canadian, with the shipping and the custom fee. Look at this. See? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start rolling. Just like this. And I start spinning from here. I just pick it up. And I will come to that with you as soon as I card a couple of bats. Yeah, these are called bats. See? Isn't this just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It's really hard to capture. It's cloudy. Okay, it won't fit into the bag that it came out because it's so tiny when you compare it to the bag with this. Let's try to squeeze it in just like this. Okay, so stay tuned. And the flies are all real flying. From this side, as you can see, from here to there. I don't card as much since I bought it. It's been over a decade. It's like only a handful. Most of the fibers we buy are already carded, right? So they're ready to spin. I have lots of fiber, believe it or not. Just like I have yarn. See? Just move them. I'm gonna do more carding, but not now. It's really hot, so I'm gonna go inside, cool off a bit. But just wanted to share you this, and yeah, I will see you guys later. So this is going to be part 1. So I have another huge one here. This is, I think, 2 times as what I did on that one. Thank you so much. Andrea, I will share this beautiful fiber on the review. Excellent. And I will keep an eye on your shop. I've been spinning since 2009. 10, I learned how to spin. Started with a drop spindle. And yeah. Okay, you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.